Hello and welcome to Turner Time Tutorials. This video is on how to view calendar in overlay mode in Outlook 2010. As you can see, I have displayed my calendar and the calendar of my coworkers. Please contact your IT department or Turner Time if you have questions about how to share calendars. But as you can see over here on the left, I have Steve's calendar checked as well as my calendar. And the natural format is for my calendar display on the left and my coworkers to display on the right. I can view these in overlay mode. Right-click on my calendar or Steve's calendar and left-click on overlay. Now that our calendars are laid on top of each other, it's easy for me to tell when would be a good time for us to have a meeting. If I want to view Steve's calendar more clearly, I can left-click on his tab. You can see that his appointments are showing in a bold color and mine are in a much lighter color in the background. To view my calendar, I'll click on that, and again you can see my appointments are in bold and Steve's are somewhat lighter in the background. To put it back, simply right-click on the calendar again and left-click on overlay, and it'll put them back side by side. Please see online tutorials for additional videos on working with calendars in Outlook 2007. If you have any questions, please email info@getturnertime.com. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.